Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix file size information is not showing in folder tips on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix file size information is not showing in folder tips, go to File Explorer and hover the mouse pointer on a folder. Look here, file size information is not showing in folder tips. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Click on View tab on File Explorer. Now click on Options. In Folder Options, click on View tab, and here you will find an option Display file size information in folder tips, and now it's not selected. That's why you cannot see the file size information on folder tips. Now just and click on apply and then click on OK. Now hover the mouse pointer on a folder again. Look, the file size information is showing right now. This is the easiest way to fix this issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.